Hello everybody. If you ever try to remove a sticker from your car, then you know that sometimes the glue stick on the car and you have to use the thinner or something like that to remove the glue. And today I find out that you can remove the sticker with the high pressure cleaner and that the glue will not stick to the car. That makes your life much easier, because you not need to try to remove it with the thinner and have to wipe it hours to remove all this rest of the glue. Can be very sticky on the car. So with the high pressure cleaner, he removed the complete sticker including the glue, and there is nothing left on the car itself. You can see this in the video very nicely. At the end there is no more glue on the glass. The glass is completely clean and everything sticks with the sticker. I think that's the perfect way to remove the sticker from a car. If you know some easier ways, let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.